Welcome back friends to my YouTube channel, the Himalayan Guru. Friends, today we are going to speak on Cartesi crypto. What is CTSI crypto? How does it work? Before starting, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and also share this video among all your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. So my only aim is to provide you accurate, perfect and valid crypto information in regards to any crypto or any tokens. So to make sure that you also subscribe my channel and support me in this interim. So let's start with today's topic, which is Cartesi crypto. Friends, Cartesi is a layer 2 platform for the development and deployment of scalable decentralized applications. It provides a bridge between Linux and blockchains like Ethereum, allowing developers to build their dApps off-chain in a familiar Linux environment without compromising on-chain decentralization and security, which means it provides a platform which is a layer 2 platform for what? For development and deployment of scalable decentralized application, which is also called dApps. So now it's familiar with Linux environment without compromising on-chain decentralization and security. So whether you are interested in Cartesi's tech stack as a developer or a user, there are a few things to know about the power of stake system. This is a proof of stake based system, and Cartesi is doing things a little bit differently from other projects, and for a good reason. Number one is zero assumption staking. So POS based systems achieve consensus by incentivizing users to stake tokens as collateral on the platform in exchange for the rights to perform particular tasks and earn rewards. However, they work under the assumption that no malicious user holds more than 50% of tokens available, clearly indicating that no users who seems to be malicious or who seems to be harmful for the community and for this project should not hold more than 50% of the tokens available. It is therefore crucial that tokens are well distributed and projects carefully plans reward system for the algorithms to work. The core infrastructure of Cartesi hybrid approach means the dApps can run complex computations off-chain, free from blockchain limitation and fees, with vital processes kept on-chain. As a result, more powerful dApps can be deployed quickly, easily and more cost-effectively while retaining full decentralization and the strong security guarantees that are inherent to blockchain. So what is CTSI token? So CTSI token is Cartesi's utility token, which means CTSI is designed to incentivize node operator to engage with the network honestly and efficiently or forfeit collateral, and plays a vital role in the Cartesi side chain. So miners here in this particular system with the highest staked collateral are more likely to be selected to generate the next block, receiving the block rewards and the fees paid by users adding data on the side chain. So this is how CTSI token works here. Friend, this is the official homepage of Cartesi crypto, and in this particular website of Cartesi, they have clearly mentioned that Cartesi was founded in 2018 by Eric De Moura, Augusto Teixeira, Diego Nehab and Colin Steele. The founding team initially got into blockchain as a result of one of the founders, Augusto Teixeira, being academic co-author with Sergei Popov, the founder of IOTA. IOTA means Internet of the Other Things, which is also known as IOTA. So Sergei became one of the Cartesi's earliest investors and advisors. Augusto had the original idea of creating a trustless artificial intelligence marketplace for data scientists. So this is how Cartesi was started and invented. The Cartesi team realized that they were tapping into a broader scope, and the project evolved into developing a versatile layer 2 Linux infrastructure to overcome the problems of scalability of computation and infrastructure for blockchain applications. So this is how they identify the issues, and this is how they resolve by inventing this kind of CTSI projects. Friends, this is the team of Cartesi crypto. I believe the team is quite big here. I mean, there are many members to this particular crypto team. Although the team is quite big, so does its partners, as they have mentioned on their official website. Friends, Cartesi crypto has already been listed on multiple exchanges, which is Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Huobi, Wazirx, Toko Crypto, IREX, Changely, Coin1, Upbit, Uniswap, Gate.io, 1inch, CoinMers, QuickSwap, BitThumb, Poloniex, KuCoin. So this particular crypto is listed on multiple exchanges. Friends, on Wazirx, CTSI in Indian rupees is 53.650 and it's on the good rising path. And on USDT, if you check, it's 0.68654. Friends, this is the live chart of CTSI token. On this live chart, the price is 0.6800, which is in US dollars, and it's on the downside. Why I'm saying it? Because if we check the ATH, which was created in this year itself in the month of May and June, which was its ATH, which was totally around 1.7413 was the highest, and it has recently tried to touch that ATH, which was created in the month of June, and on 11th of November 2021, in the last month itself, it touched almost to the ATH which was created in the month of June. This is so near to its previous ATH, but it could not touch that, and it reversed back and it dumped very heavily to the level which today it runs on, which is 0.6817. So let's check it minutely. Now there are many investors who have already taken an entry on the ATH which was created in the last month, and there are some who have taken entry way below the ATH, which means on this particular points on here, and some have taken entries like in the recent time somewhere around here, and some must have taken entry on the current level which is showing here. So again it arises a question that can we take entry in this particular token? So my only suggestion to you, yes, you can take entry on this particular suggestion which is currently running, which is 0.6814. However, because as I have clearly mentioned that it has already tried to touch its ATH which was created just in this year, June 2021, and in the same time in the last month it tried to touch the ATH, the previous ATH of June 2021, but it could not cross that, which means this particular token has that potential of creating another ATH in the coming time. And if you have decided to invest in CTSI token, I feel that you are on a right track, because this is the token which is on its lowest level in today's scenario. So if you can take an entry on these level, which this is the best time for you to take entry here. And if you don't want to take entry on this particular level, what you can do, you can wait for it to come down like this much, because if you want to take entry on a level below the price which is currently running, then that's again a wise decision, but it will take certain amount of time to get this particular level to get down, because the candles on this particular chart is showing us some positive turn, which means it's going to be like in the upper direction. So it will certainly go upward movement, having a little bit of resistance level, but not to the concern that it cannot break out. So certainly it will rise, and before that, if you miss to take entry on this particular aspect, then you have no other option but to take entry on some highest level, which you don't want to take. So for that, you can take entry right now, or you can wait for a week or so. This coin is going to be in the downward direction. You can take entry on this particular portion, but again, please consult with your financial advisor before investing your hard-earned money into crypto trading. So friends, this is how you can take entry in this particular token, because this token is on its lower level. So whenever a coin or a token is in its lower level, which is a great opportunity for an investor, and especially for an investor who is new in crypto market, who is a new investor in crypto trading, they can easily make a huge amount of profit by investing in that particular token, which is already available on a very low rate, on a very low price you are getting it. And statistics is also indicating that you can invest in this particular token right now, because it has already touched its ATH in the last month, November 2021, which means this coin has that kind of potential and that kind of speciality which can give a lot of profit you in the coming time. you need to have that kind of patience level so that your money will grow as the time passes by. So for that, this particular token and the CTSI crypto and the whole ecosystem of CTSI is working for the betterment of their project growth. So I believe that if this particular project and this token is available to you on a very quite low rate, I believe you should grab this before wasting any further time. If you want to invest in a long term, I believe this is the best for you, because in the coming 6 months or in a year, you will get a good returns out of this particular token, which is CTSI token. So if you want to take an entry, you can right away grab it, or else you can wait for it. Otherwise, for an investor who wanted to have a long-term holding, they can go for it. Otherwise, if you don't want to take entry in this particular level and you're waiting to get it more down like this much, then you have to wait for like the coming weeks or a month. Otherwise, I don't find any reason for any investor to invest in this particular crypto, which is having such low price, and it will certainly give you a huge potential gain in the coming time. So decide yourself, make up your mind, and you can take entry in this particular crypto. So friends, to summarize, this is the best token available in the market, having a great use case, fundamentals are very clear, and the team is working very hard to achieve the set targets in the given amount of time. But for that, you need to hold, and you need to invest in the time which is available in front of you, and this is the best price wherein you can invest and you can hold it for a long term. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and also motivate me to make more such videos. Thanks for your support. Bye.